2, right back up. 3, 4, 5, 6. Use both feet. Both feet. Both feet.
Back feet.
There you go, Chris. There you go, Chris. There you go. Yeah. Carry on to the left. There you go.
You got to breathe.
That's the rookie out there. Come out here and do something. Come on now. Karaoke. There you go. There you go.
Both feet. Jump
Come on, bro.
both feet.
Come on.
Control yourself.
Don't stop.
Control yourself.
Back feet. Back feet. Same thing we was doing yesterday. You got to go faster than that.
Come on, Cicero. Come on, Cicero. Let's go, Cicero. You got that? There you go. Come on. Come on. Ball up. Ball up. Ball up. We're going to work on it. We're going to work on it. That's as low as I can get it, baby. I can't get it no lower than that. Come on. Come on. There you go. Come on.
You're going to start with your back feet. Just like that, that other feet on the other side go first. In that box first. No, the other feet on the other side. Just like that, go. Keep going. Just like that. Now go fast. Go. Back feet first. You gotta go faster than that.
Use both feet.
Chris, man, get on there and show them how to do that thing.
You're used to jumping on 1 foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Come on, hold that ball up. Hold that ball up.
There you go. Good job. Back feet. Back feet. Ain't nothing the matter with you. Talking to him over there. Come on, dog. You fix that ladder. Back feet. There you go. There you go. Big dog lost. Big dog lost. He'll be straight though.
He got a nice soft touch.
Yeah, and he got a little handlers too. It'll be a bit.